Hi, in this video we are going to look at non-local scope. So before going to non-local scope, we need to understand inner functions. The functions which are defined inside another function. This is an example of inner function in which we have defined two functions, outer func and inner func. Both the functions have access to the global and built-in scopes as well as their respective local scopes. But the inner function also has access to its enclosing scope, that is, the scope of the outer function. That scope is neither local nor global. It is called a non-local scope. Now, let's look at the topic referencing variables from the enclosing scope. In this example, when we call outer func, Python look at the references to A. Since A is not defined in the local scope, Python looks in its enclosing scope, and it is able to find that variable defined in its enclosing scope, and because of that it is able to print the value of A in outer func. In this example, when we call outer func, inner func is created and called, and when the inner func is called, Python does not find A in the local scope, so it looks for it in its enclosing scope. In this case, the scope of outer func. Let's look at another example in which when we call outer func, inner func is defined and called, and when the inner func is called, Python does not find A in the local scope, so it looks for it in its enclosing scope, in this case the scope of outer func. Since it does not find it there either, it looks in the enclosing scope. Now let's look at the topic modifying global variable. We saw how to use global keyword in order to modify a global variable within a nested scope. In this example, we can see that we are trying to access a variable A by using a keyword global. Means we are accessing a global variable A in our function, and then we are modifying its value by 1000. We can of course do that same thing from the nested function. So you can see that in our inner func, we are using a keyword global in order to access the global variable A, and then we are modifying its value. Now let's look at the topic modifying non-local variables. In this example, when inner func is compiled, Python sees an assignment to x. So it determines x is a local variable to inner func. The variable x in inner func masks the variable x in outer func. Now, just as the global variables, we have to explicitly tell Python we are modifying a non-local variable. We can do that using the non-local keyword. In this example, you can see I have used a non-local keyword in my function inner func, where it is trying to access a non-local variable x in the inner func and then modifying its value by Python. When Python is told that a variable is non-local, it will look for it in the enclosing local scope chain until it first encounters the specified variable name. it will only look in the local scopes. It will not look in the global scopes. So in this example, you can see that the non-local keyword is used in order to access the non-local variable x. So at the end, it is going to modify the outer variable x. This is how we can modify the non-local scope variable in our inner func. Thank you. Have a nice day.